All right, just wanted to show I got the speedometer working again. So mileage is accurate. It was just gumped up and a new cable. I did have to sacrifice the trip portion to get it to work because it wouldn't come out, but I'll try to get that replaced shortly. Mileage is accurate, just so people can see. Today is the 9th. Let's see. Today's news, not trying to be political. See what's going on in the world. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, it should be accurate. I'll get this part fixed at some point when somebody has a reasonable parts one, and I'll show you that it works. Let's do this. Let's see. I'm going to turn the choke on a little bit to get the. Because I'm going to do this one-handed.